everybody, welcome back to my channel, and yes, this is another Dollar Tree. I've been going crazy. Husband officially banned me to stop going to the Dollar Tree, but I have a lot of DIYs that I want to do, and I want to get this stuff while I'm seeing it because I want to start showing you guys more deals. But I needed to show you guys this haul before I started making more crafts because I plan on working on a lot this week. This week's just kind of going to be a down week for me, but I ended up getting this ribbon. I showed you guys a DIY already with it, but I ended up needing it right away before I could do my haul. So I ended up getting this ribbon. I am going to make a bow. I'm going to do a video of how to show you guys how to make a bow with one of these. So you have to stay tuned for that. But I did make a ribbon wreath. It's not the greatest, but I just kind of wanted to show it to you. It kind of was changing as I was making it, but it turned out pretty cute, and it's something different. I ended up getting this shamrock wreath or whatever this is. I want to do a lot of deco mesh stuff, and if I don't get to it right away, it's not a big deal, but I kind of want to use this and see if I can make something that looks kind of cool with deco mesh. So definitely got that. You know, you can't go wrong with that for $1. I ended up getting these foam balls because I am going to be doing a DIY with these, so I just needed some foam balls, and it was awesome. I think this is super cute. I absolutely love this. This is the St. Patrick's Day shamrocks with like lots of glitter, and I have a spot right next to my door that I'm going to start hanging these for the holidays. So I think this is super cute, and I'm debating on making a wreath with these because they're just so cute. I just absolutely love it. And then I also got the Valentine's Day one I'm not super excited about, but I thought, you know what, it's Valentine's Day, and this just says welcome. I mean, it's cute, so I thought, you know what, for $1, I'll get it for my doorway. I ended up finding these Littlest Pet Shop toys. I think I got 3 of them. Because, you know, with birthday parties coming up in the future, I thought these would be super cute to pass up. And I used to do Littlest Pet Shop when I was a kid, and so these are like glittery, so I got those. I thought these would be cute, super cute gift to give for birthdays or anybody who needs these, and you can't go wrong with $1. I found these Mega Constructs Despicable Me 3. I thought these would be cool little blind bags for my son to play with. We are working on going potty, as you guys know, so they just had 5 on the shelf, so I just bought all 5 of them. I thought these would be kind of cute. He's obsessed with the Minions, so you don't know what you're going to get. So we got that for him. I ended up finding some bath bombs. I ended up getting this unicorn, and this one's called, or the scent of this one is Vanilla Sprinkle, which I can't smell, but I think it's going to be awesome. My son is really into bath bombs lately, and he loves taking a bath, but I'm like, you know what, if you want to do a bath bomb, that's fine. And then I ended up getting another one of this is Wild Berry. We just used this in the bathtub the other night. The glitter does not get anywhere, it's just glitter on the outside, but I did not find any glitter in my bathtub. It took about a good maybe 10 minutes for it to fully disintegrate, and it did make our water turn purple, but it didn't stain it or anything. My son didn't have any allergic reaction to anything, so I absolutely love it, and he keeps asking to do more bath bombs. And if you guys want me to do a DIY bath bomb video, I've been wanting to do this for a while, let me know, and I'm going to show you guys how to do some DIY bath bombs. So stay tuned for that. I've been seeing everybody haul this washi tape, and I'm not into hardcore washi tape, but I had to get this stuff because you can't pass it up. So I ended up finding the Little Princess one. I love this. I'm a huge princess fan. I am a Disney freak. My family still gets me Disney princess stuff because I am such a kid at heart. So this has, I don't know if it has all the princesses on it, but I see Mulan, Merida, Rapunzel, Snow White, Aurora, Tiana, Little Mermaid, or not Little Mermaid, Ariel, and Belle. I don't know who else is on there, but we got that. And then I found a Minion ones, because like I said, my son is obsessed with the Minions. I thought these were super cute. You got their little face right there. And then I got Cars, because you can't go wrong with Cars, and it's just got, you know, racing stripes and stuff. And then we got the Tsum Tsums. My son and I are obsessed with Tsum Tsums lately, and I think these were super cute. I could not pass them up, so I just got some tape because in case I want to do a little project, we got that. I found this magnet. I think this magnet is super cute. It says it's a cool cat. Ben's like, Mom, that's Paris. Paris has sunglasses on. And I'm like, yeah. Doesn't look like my cat, but I thought this was a super cute magnet, you know, and it's like a glass one, so I thought that's super cute to put on my fridge. I love magnets. I ended up getting a lot of the Valentine's Day ribbon and the Easter ribbon. So this is like an off-white or a pinkish ribbon. I kind of have an idea what I wanted to do with this one, so I just ended up getting it. You guys can't really see it, but it's kind of like a pinkish white. I found the Easter ribbon. This is like a teal. I got this already, but I wanted to get another one because I have an idea of what I'm going to do with these. I ended up getting some adhesive spray. I don't know how well this does, but I thought, you know what, for $1, I'll try it out. It's something that I just kind of want to make that's super cheap to make. So I bought 2 of these. The other one's in here somewhere. It fell out of the car. Here it is. It fell out of the car and underneath the vehicle, so I had to go under there. I ended up getting this red ribbon because I wanted to just do something with it, so I ended up getting this. And it's very sheer, but I wanted to do a video with that. I got 2 pink ones actually. I don't know where the second pink one went. But I wanted to do a DIY that I'm going to actually start in the next couple days for this. And I think this is kind of cute how I want to do it. It's going to be for Valentine's Day one, but I really liked that pink. And then I got scarves because I want to make a DIY with these scarves. And you need 5 of them. And my store luckily had 5 of them. So I got 5 of these scarves, and I think these are super cute. They're really soft. I actually kind of want to use it myself, but I'm going to try the DIY first. So you guys will have to... This is a scarf.
What's a scarf though?
You just wrap it around your neck and you can look pretty. Is that okay with you?
No, you look.
Oh, okay. So I got 5 of these because I plan on making a DIY with that. So you guys will have to stay tuned. That is so cute, isn't it? You were with me when we bought it, honey.
Oh, a Walgreens?
No, not at Walgreens.
What?
So the next thing I got is this head wrap. I don't really get a lot of head stuff at Dollar Tree, but I thought this was super cute, and I have a sweater that matches this.
No.
Hey, can you go color real quick? Go draw Mama a picture. So I thought this was super cute. I don't know how well it's going to hold up, but you know what? I'll try it for $1. I ended up getting this little pop-up hamper because in my bathroom, when I get undressed, I just throw my clothes right on the floor, even though I could carry it into my bedroom, into the hamper, but I thought this would be just something as a quick fix just to put right in the bathroom so it's not all over the floor. And then I saw this notebook, and I thought I couldn't pass this up. This is just so cute. It says feel mermazing, and it's like got a mermaid fin, and I thought this was super cute. I love the holographics or whatever, but it's got lined paper, but I just could not pass that up. That was super, super cute. I love it. I love having notebooks just to write stuff in. I ended up getting this gift bag because I'm going to do a DIY with it. One of you guys complained that you didn't like it how I do talk about DIYs all the time. I'm sorry. I just am into making crafts. You know, I don't get as much paid as with my couponing videos as I do with my DIY videos. So that's why I do a lot of DIYs, so I can get, you know, paid for doing all the work that I do. So I got that bag. I saw a circular mirror. You guys can see my ring light. I got a circular mirror, and I didn't know what, and my ceiling is unfinished, but I have a finished basement. But I didn't know what I wanted to do with this, and this is my first time seeing a circular mirror, so I thought I can try to figure out something I want to do with this, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that. Another thing I wanted to show you guys is this basket. You guys said you wanted to see me do empties, so I ended up getting this basket to put all my empties in the bathroom. It's this very flexible basket, and purple is one of my favorite colors, so I wanted to show you guys that so I can show you guys empties by the end of the month. I ended up getting this little silver picture frame. It's just a 5x7. Again, I have something I'm going to show you guys what to do with that, so you'll have to stay tuned. A lot of DIYs for the next couple days. I found more bath bombs at a different store, and I found a popsicle one, and this one is cherry. So I thought these are super cute, and there were some other ones that were adorable, but I didn't like the smell, so I didn't get it. This one's like got some weight to it, but this is a donut. It says Donut Stress, and it's supposed to smell like a donut, and I thought these were super cute. It looks like it's got like sprinkles on the top. I can't remember how many of those I bought. I think I bought 2 of the donut ones, so more bath bombs. I ended up getting another popsicle, and then I ended up getting another unicorn because you can't pass them up, so I got that. I ended up finding a little silver duck. I thought that was super cute. It is a piggy bank though, but I don't really want to use it for a piggy bank. I just kind of want to use it for a decoration. And he's totally broken. I didn't even realize that. I might have to go back and get it fixed. I don't know if it was broken already, but I'll have to exchange that. But I think he is super, super cute, so I got that. And then I ended up just getting more of these Biscoff cookies. My husband's like, if you see more, get more. He absolutely loves these. These are kind of expensive if you go to the grocery store and buy them. So this is a 6-pack, which is technically 2 cookies in each pack, so you get 12 of them for $1. You can't go wrong with that. So that was my haul. I'm kind of sad about my duck breaking, but I'll go back and exchange him. But I'm super excited about all the bath bombs that I got. You know, I just want to kind of sit in the tub someday and try one out, but it was fun, you know, watching my son play with one of these. So there was that. But if you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button so you guys let me know by, you know, letting me know what you guys enjoy by the hauls. And I'm sorry, I do have a lot of DIYs. I have a long list of stuff. I've just been super busy, but now I have all my Christmas stuff down, and I'm starting to decorate for Valentine's Day. So you guys might see about 1 to 3 videos a week for DIYs. So I'm going to start with Valentine's Day, and then I'm going to do St. Patrick's Day stuff. I have a couple for you guys, and then a lot of Easter stuff for you guys. So definitely stay tuned. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you probably very soon for another Dollar Tree haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.